actually, I already said accessories. I don't mean accessories. I mean installation components.
Necessaries?
It is a, yes, it is a very bad habit that I'm in, calling these accessories, because the fact is, power wire, ground wire, fuses, these are not accessories. You have to have these things to make the system work. And as a customer, I know it's painful when the sales guy or the installer tells you, this is going to be $200, this is going to be $200, and you're thinking, man, I just spent $500 on the amp. Why is this so expensive? Because we're using oxygen-free pure copper. This is the good stuff. This is going to give you all the current transfer that you need to make your Warhorse amplifiers, or any amplifiers, work properly. And I will tell you, we get phone calls every day here at KICKER, and sometimes personally, with people saying, I've got this brand XYZ wire, and it looks just as good as the KICKER, but it's a half the price, and now my amplifier's shutting down. What's the problem? And you go through the whole process, and simply wire it right the first time.
Yep.
So what about the fuse holder and all that? Can you pull that out of the box? Right there, right? That's right here, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
I didn't make that clear. Jeez. We didn't practice this. This is live.
It was closer to, because I'm closer to the ground. It's making me get it.
All right, so this is the complete line of Warhorse installation components.
I'm going to take them out?
Yeah, let's take them out. Let's take them out. Show the folks.
We can't return them then.
That's okay. Well,
I know a guy.
Hey, you know, Jacob, actually, next time Jacob's on the show, he just bought himself a pickup. A bigger pickup, a Ford F-150, and he is building a system for it, and it sounds fantastic. And so we can actually just, you know, put it in his truck.
But have you heard Jacob's truck?
I did. Have you?
Yeah,
dude,
both of them.
Wow, wow. His new truck is something special. So this is a fused distribution block, and oh, JW, thank you, man. Okay, so that, I'm going to make that the spot right there, JW. So this is the fused distribution block, and this allows for 4 in, 4 out, and we've got our 200 amp fuses in here because the Warhorse amplifiers, both of them require a 200 amp fuse, 1 each. Actually, no, that's incorrect. The 3601 requires 2 200 amp fuses, and the 1000.4 requires 1 200 amp fuse. So this is your 4 in, 4 out fused distribution block. And then we also have the same thing in, did you pull out the 2 yet? It's got that. We have the same thing, but only in a 2 in, 2 out fused distribution block. Now what's cool about these, they come with these solid bus bars. So you can use it as a fused power distribution, or as a non-fused ground distribution. So you could basically take 2 of these, 1 for your power and 1 for your ground, and have a symmetrical look, and you'll be able to use 1 with dual fuses and 1 with just the bus bars, and the bus bars are included, so you can make it up as you go. And again, you need the 200 amp fuses. We supply those right here. They come in packages of 2. Whatever you think you need, double it. You'll probably need that many because you're probably going to be blowing some fuses as you're tuning and testing your system. So that is the fused distribution blocks. And then we also have the battery terminals. A couple different options here. This guy here is more of a standard aught gauge. This is power or ground, and it bolts right onto your battery terminal. It also comes with a side post adapter. So if you've got a GM side post, it comes with the correct adapter for that. And then you can step up to the bigger version, which now has 6 lugs. So this again mounts directly to your positive or your negative battery top post mount. And you can use 1 for the positive, 1 for the negative. And there you go, you've got your 6 connections. And they do have the Lexan top, which is of course partially pretty, but also prevents things from touching it that shouldn't be touching it. This guy does come with a reducer as well, so it works with the positive or the negative post, and this works with the positive or the negative post.